What's up guys? It's your boy John back again. Welcome back to another cocktail vlog. For today guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng business. It's a very easy cocktail to make. And then, ang kailangan nating ingredients dito guys is tatlo lang. So ano pang iniintay nyo? Let's make some cocktails guys. So itong cocktail na to guys is shaken, so kakailangan natin ng cocktail shaker. First is sweetness. So ang gagamitin ko for the sweetness is honey syrup. Ilalagay ko is around 15 to 30 ml. Depende guys kung gaano nyo gusto katamis yung cocktail. And next is freshly squeezed lemon juice. Around 30 ml guys. And of course, gin guys. 30 to 45 ml. Depende kung gaano nyo gusto katapa yung cocktail. Let's put some ice to the shaker. And let's shake our cocktail guys for around 8 to 12 seconds. Let's strain to our glass. And for garnish, is lagyan natin ng lemon peel. Ginagawa to guys para makadagdag siya ng aroma and then smell sa cocktail. So yung unang sip nyo, pag nilapit nyo yung baso nyo sa ilong, is may smell natin yung essential oils ng lemon guys. And lagay natin sa cocktail guys. There you go guys, business. Tikman natin. Here we go guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video guys. Cheers!
I don't know what you mean, Miss Elsa.